Hi guys, this is your girl janNOEL and welcome back to my channel. So people, I've been juicing for a couple of days and today I'm going to show you how I make my juice and what I'm using to make my juice. Yeah, it's like a detox thing. So yeah, we just need something to cleanse our body after me being in St. Lucia and everything and eating everything. So I'm just juicing for a couple of days. So let me show you what I'm using. So I'm using some simple ingredients. I have beetroot here that I cut up. I have some more here. I'm going to use a green apple. I'm going to use some ginger and some turmeric, some honey of your choice or maple syrup, and some black pepper. So that's what I'm going to be juicing with. That's what I've been juicing with for a couple of days. So today I'm going to show you all how I make my juice. So I have my beetroot here. You can buy the one from the market, but I don't have the one from the market. I get the one from the supermarket. So I did cut one. I usually put two of them. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut this pieces. Put this like so. And after I'm gonna put my green apple. I'm gonna cut my green apple. I'm gonna put it with the skin and everything. So I'm gonna set that aside. Yeah, and I'm gonna cut our apple. Okay, so I'm gonna put the beetroot in the blender. I'm gonna put the apple in there. I'm gonna cut it. You want to wash your apple properly. Cut it in pieces. I prefer to use the green one when I'm juicing. If you don't like apples, you put a celery in there. Take everything off this apple. Okay. So I'm gonna add some water into it. Okay, add some water. You put as much as you want. It's you. That depends on you. How much water you want to put in there. I'm gonna put in some more. Okay. So I'm gonna put in some ginger, like half a teaspoon, like so. And some turmeric, half a teaspoon. And like half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, if you don't want half a teaspoon, you put less. I'm gonna use some good old honey. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm just gonna put like a tablespoon of honey. Yeah, just like a tablespoon. That's good. I'm gonna mix everything up. I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay. So I want it nice and smooth. Yeah, I want it nice and smooth. I'm gonna blend it again. I want it nice and smooth. So just gonna let it sit. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to, the rest of my beetroots, I'm going to cut it up and put it in the freezer. Just want to cut up the rest and put it in a bag. Yeah, so then put it in the freezer so you can use it after. So just put it in some Ziploc bags. That's it. I can use it again and just put it in the fridge and in the freezer and it's good to go. That is looking good. A healthy juice. So the best way to take this juice is on an empty stomach. You take this in the morning on an empty stomach and it will be so good to you. Trust me, try it. Time to drink our juice. Time to drink our juice. Give you that beautiful skin and glowing. You will not regret it. And it don't have a bad taste. Don't worry about it. The apples, beetroot has a little its own sugar, and the apples will give it that nice taste. And you have the turmeric to give you all this benefit, anti-inflammatory and all of that thing. And the ginger is good also for your gut, and yeah. So, and the black pepper to boost the ginger and the turmeric. So bon appetit. Let's drink. It's good, guys. If you like the recipe, try it. You should try it. It's very good, and the beetroot is good for you. If you have anemia or something like that, yeah, it's very good. So you can drink beetroot. It's very good for you. So we are not taking it halfway. We have to drink all of it on an empty stomach. So have to drink all your glass on an empty stomach. You have to leave nothing. Drinking all of it. You can eat anything after, but this juice, you have to drink it on an empty stomach. That's how it's going to work a little better for you. So if you don't want the kick too much of it in the, like the black pepper and the ginger and the turmeric, you can feel it like a little burning. If you don't like that too much, you just put the amount that you want. You don't have to put half a teaspoon. You put less than half of a teaspoon, so and it will work for you. But me, I put half of a teaspoon. You can feel that burning sensation in my mouth, so that's good. So guys, if you like this little video that I made of juicing, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're just coming across my channel, welcome. And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like juicing with. I know people juice with so many things, and you know, celery, all kinds of things, carrots, and yeah, let me know what you juice with, and see you in the next one.